Hello everyone, you are highly welcome to my presentation on the use of chatbot to enhance teaching and learning. This my presentation is quite different from what I've been presenting on YouTube, which has always been on the use of SPSS to analyze quantitative data. So today I'm going to present to you a revolutionary platform, a chatbot that one can utilize to enhance teaching and learning, specifically in this context for project management. So to that extent, I have developed a kind of a chatbot that one could utilize to that effect. So the name of my chatbot is called Duquali Virtual Assistant. As you could see it here, Duquali Virtual Assistant Project Management. So yeah, for you to make use of this software or this chatbot, if you like, it's very easy. It's user friendly, and once you get yourself acclimatized to it or acclimatized with it, it will always be part and parcel of you, and it can help you to learn so many things in project management. It can be utilized by students, can be utilized by people that are already in practice in project management. It can be utilized for different things. And essentially, as I can tell you, this chatbot is a kind of like a Wikipedia, where one can be able to source a lot of information, a lot of resources. It's well enriched as far as the database is concerned regarding the materials that have been utilized to make the chatbot or to enrich the database of the chatbot. So it is we utilize materials that are aligned with the Department of Education curriculum. Right. So this is how it is. As you could see it on the screen, it appears in this form. So what you need to do for you to be able to access this chatbot is just to save my number among your contact list. You need to have a Telegram. You need to have a Telegram social media on your device. So what you need to do is you save my number, which I'm going to read forth. It's my number 27 72 653 4190. I repeat, if you are within the geographical location of South Africa, you may use 072 653 4190. So if you are outside the geographical zone of South Africa, perhaps you are in overseas or in any of these countries in Europe or in US or States, or what as you can call it, or in Japan. So you need to add the international code, and the international code for South Africa is 27. So then it will read 2772 653 4190. Right. So having done that, and as I explained to you beforehand, you need to have a Telegram social media app in your device so that you can be able to access or have access to the chatbot, which is Duquali virtual assistant. So yeah, now you need to open your Telegram. Then you obviously, when you open your Telegram, it's gonna look in this form, Then you need to search for Duquali. So what you need to do is very easy, like ABC. Then you just type in Duquali, right? It's already here. I'm just Duquali, right? Then you've seen it here. I've got two chatbots here. This one is for basic education, right? For grade 8, or I can say from grade from grade 8 to 12. Then this one is specifically for project management, right? Duquali. So that is how it goes. So what you need to do is this is the platform. So as I said, you need to prompt, awaken the platform or the chatbot to kickstart, to start operating. All you need to do is to type in here, message bar, a kind of salutation. We could say hi. Let's see what happens. Waiting. It's gonna respond. Okay, here we go. Now, as you've kickstart the operation of the chatbot, then the chatbot have responded. Let's see what is the response here. They say, "Hello, I am Duquali, your virtual assistant in project management." Okay, as you can see clearly, we've utilized the logo for the Department of Higher Education in South Africa. We decided to use or to make use of this logo to portray that the curriculum that are utilized to make this chatbot in terms of the materials that have been used or that are used to for the database as aligned with the curriculum of DHET as far as project management is concerned. So here is what this chatbot is requesting. The chatbot is saying, "Are you an existing user or new user?" So the chatbot is posing questions to you, which you need to answer for the chatbot to continue working. Then, if you are an existing user, it's very easy. What you need to do, you click on the icon here for existing user. So if you are not an existing user, you are a new user, then you need to register. Right. Okay. Let's see. Here, I assume that I am a new user. So then the chatbot is prompting you, requesting that you should get yourself registered. So what you need to do is, you first of all have to capture your username, right? So you are registering now. You just utilize any convenient username that you deem fit, that you can be able to remember. Okay, let me use a demo name, for instance. Say demo let me say demo Richard. Let me add my name here. Right, demo Richard. Right, then okay, then the chatbot is requesting for the password. I need to capture password that I can be able to remember. Okay, I can still say demo Richard, for example. Right, here we go. Then the password, the chatbot is requesting for my cell number. Okay, let me put my cell number 277265349190. Right, let's go. Here we go. Now the chatbot is requesting for the name of my institution. So please enter the name of your institution. My institution is Dukwali Academy. Right. Okay. Prompt it. Here we go. Then it has been captured. So you need to log in again as an existing user. So now you say, what was my username? Demo Richard. Right. Let's go. Now I need to log in the password, which was still demo Richard. Okay, good. It has been captured. Now you see the response of the chatbot. They say, welcome demo Richard. What would you like to continue? Sorry to say. So the chatbot is posing you the question whether you would like to continue. Right. So you got two options. Either you like to continue, maybe as you've got yourself registered, you say, okay, next time you continue, or you want to log off and the next time you continue, or you want to continue, browsing, then, or navigating the system, if you like. Then, okay, here I want to continue navigating. I click on yes. Okay, then the chatbot have responded. Let's see the response of the chatbot. Then the chatbot is thanking you, saying, thanks for choosing Dukwali AI as your preferred teaching and learning platform for project management, NCV, National Curriculum Vocational. Right. So this one is specifically aligned to National Vocational Curriculum. Then the chatbot is saying, kindly find below the list of major topics in project management for NCV that Dukwali AI can assist you with. So right now you see these are the topics, right? For example, you have topics like fundamentals of project management, which some people could describe as the principles of project management tools and techniques. You've got application of ethics in project management. Then you've got a topic like project estimating and costing. Then you've got another topic like project administration. Then you've got leadership within project environment. And you've got project as team initiatives. Then project delivery strategies and operations. Then you got project initiation. Then you got another topic about developing schedules for project management. Then you've got another one relating to supervision of a project. Then you've got another one, which is project risk management and project evaluation. So these are the topics. So if you want to know more about what this topic entails, so all you need to do is to click on one of the topics that you are interested in, then it will take you to the various subtopics. For example, let's say I'm interested in knowing more about the application of ethics in project management. So all I need to do is to click on it. Then, yeah, I've done that. Let's see what happens. So it take you to the subtopics. Right. Now, the chatbot is asking you, how can I assist you in this contest? Which contest are we talking about? We are talking in the context of the concept of ethics in relation to property. These are the two subtopics as far as these topics of ethics is concerned. Then, let's say you want to know more about the concept of ethics in relation to property and personal right in the realm of project management, as far as the application of ethics in project management is concerned. So all you need to do is still a simple process. You have to click on it. Then let's see what the chatbot is going to say. Then the chatbot is saying, or is requesting, is asking you, how can I assist you in this contest? So at this point in time, you need to type or capture your queries. You need to ask the chatbot. For example, you see, like I said, this thing it works like Wikipedia. So if there are questions or queries that you want to find more information about, then what you need to do, you need to type it, capture your queries to prompt the chatbot to respond to you. You go down again to this message bar and type your queries, your question. For example, let's say I'm interested in knowing more about the application of ethics in relation to property and personal right in a project environment. Okay, let's see what the chatbot is going to tell us. Then I can say, how does ethics in relation to property and personal rights applies in a project environment. Right. Okay. How does ethics not seeing distance to problem? Is it hard? Okay, let's see. Okay, now look at the answer that is being given by the chatbot. Ethics concerning property and personal right in a project environment apply by respecting the personal right in relation to properties, which include anything a person owns. The South African Constitution play a role in defining the sources of ethics for South African society, and the relationship between ethics and generally accepted code of conduct in project management is established. Right. Okay. So it's something of this nature. So if you want to know more about the code of conduct in project management, for example, how do we ensure that? How do we ensure that we maintain? I'm not seeing this thing. It's covering a little bit. Okay. How do we ensure that we maintain an acceptable code of conduct in a project environment? How do we ensure that? Okay, maybe the chatbot is not understanding. Okay, explain some of the code of conduct applicable in a project environment. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here are the answers. A code of conduct is a set of rules outlining responsibilities, expected behavior, and practices of an organization or individual. Personal responsibility involves clearly stating expectations for each person in their area of responsibility. These are the code of conduct. Compliance with the law is essential. These are the things that one needs to do in order for one to be able to apply code of conduct in a project environment. Compliance with the law is essential, and no team member should be allowed to break the law. Relations with the public should be guided on how the project team interact with the public. Acceptance of gift, reward, hospitality, and discount should be clarified under what circumstances team members are allowed to accept them. So yeah, essentially, this is how the chatbot functions, and as I said, it's an essential platform. It's a handy platform, and it's a novel platform, as I said again, or as can add as well that, like I said before, when you are used to this platform, you always like to utilize it to enhance your knowledge in project management. So yeah, as I said before again, if you are interested in making use of this platform, then you can just drop me a line via email. So my email address is info at let me see, I don't want to type it here, let me just type it here, but I'm not gonna prompt it. Email address, there's my email address, info at Quali Academy .org. Right. So if you have any queries or any comment, please feel free to drop me a line, and I will be ready available to respond to you or to any of your queries. Let me put it that way. So thanks, and thanks for watching the presentation. And as I said, and as I continue to say, the presentation is quite insightful, and it's going to help you in terms of enhancing your teaching and learning in the project management. I thank you.